Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. Not a shave today. Today is an unboxing, or a mail call and an unboxing. I was contacted by someone to send me a razor. So this is the package here. I've not opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside. I'll just show you who it's from, and then you'll probably know what it is. Carbon Shaving in Minneapolis. And this is the CX316L. This is a razor. So here's the package here. As I say, I've not opened it, so let's just rip this open here. I'll just cut this across, see what we have inside. Right, so there's inside the box, and inside the package. That's it. Wow. So here it is here. This tube. Carbon Shaving Co. Machined in USA. 2019 316L. Yeah. Nice little touches there. Across the top. I'm not actually sure how you get that open. There's a little, I can see a little line here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and cut around that line with this knife just to keep things neat. So I'll do that and I'll come back in a second. Okay, so as you can see, I've cut around the, there's a little notch in here. So this actually pulls apart, but I just wanted to keep it neat. That's what I'm like. I'm a bit OCD, so I just used the sharp knife and just followed it around, just to keep it neat. So I will now open it and I'll show you what's inside. Comes in this little tube. So here we go here. There's a pack of Kai blades. And inside there's this mesh little bag. And there's also a packet of Astra blades. And there's a little note here. Just says, thank you Kevy for reviewing our CX, really appreciate it, Sean. There's that, and on the back it shows you how to put it all together, how to load the blade and stuff like that. So that's inside there. And Sean actually sent me another handle as well. I think there's a titanium handle. I'm not sure if this is a titanium handle or if this is the stainless steel. But there's the handle he sent. That really nice. Yeah, great knurling on that. I think this might be the titanium one actually. It doesn't feel particularly heavy like stainless steel, but that's really nice. Okay, so it comes in this little kind of mesh jute pouch. Just pull it open. Nicely packaged again, and there is the razor there. Yeah, so not going to focus. There we go. No, it's not. Okay, let me switch the camera up, and that's better. We'll take this apart and I'll show you it close up. So I'll get a towel and we'll put some lights down here, and I'll show you the razor in all its glory, and we can take a real close look at it. Okay, I'll see you in a second or two. Okay, so here's the razor. Very nice. Lovely handle on it. High polish finish. Yeah, you can probably see great knurling on it as well. Yeah, really, really sweet. It's good weight. Once I do the shave with it, I'll give you all the weights and specs and stuff like that, but it feels very comfortable to hold. I'll just unscrew the handle off, and yep, it comes with a little black rubber washer there, which I'll just put that to the side. Yeah, so this is the handle it came with, this handle. Yeah, and this is the one that was also included. yeah, this one's slightly heavier, which is I guess this is the 316L stainless steel. They're slightly different. This one's kind of shaped in the middle there, and I'm guessing this is the titanium one. That doesn't have the little pulled in at the waist sort of bit, but very nice. Both handles, yeah, very good. Here's the head, the top cap. As I say, it's highly polished. Right, let's just see if this will focus on this. There we go. Yeah, so beautifully made. I can see a couple of machine marks there, but nothing really to write home about. Has these nice long posts. There's the base cap. Wow, and can you see the shape of these ladder channels? It's a little bit different. They're kind of like diamond shaped. Well, not diamond shaped, but they're slightly different. They're not straight. And on the back of the base plate, there we go, it says carbon shaving, machined in USA, 2019 316L, and it has the, I'm guessing that's a serial number there, CX2A174. But really, really nice. Yeah, beautiful. Let me just put it back together. I'll just put this little black rubber ring on it. Very tight fit. Screw the handle back on. And there it is there. Okay, I'll give you some close-ups just before I end this video, and then the next video you see will be me shaving with this razor, the Carbon CX316L. Okay, I'll give you some close-up shots now, and then I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.